Hi, welcome to Maptive. In this tutorial, we're going to go over some general ideas for your data and formatting, and then I'll show you what that looks like on a map at the end of the video. So here we've got a really basic data set. I have my address. The order in which these columns are here are completely up to you. What you use as column headers is completely up to you. But make sure that you have column headers. Otherwise, this would be your column header, and that's not correct. So I've got address, city, state, zip code. Break it out appropriately for the way your addresses are done. I also happen to have county in here. You can include country. And then beyond address, you can include any additional information that would be useful for you. So I have things like name and phone number and sales and the salesperson that covers each of these locations. And I've got categories and websites, emails, just anything you can think of. We even give you a filter for attributes so you can separate the information by semicolon and then use the attribute filter to filter by that column, and it'll break it up into individual groups. So anything that you'd find useful on your map is you should include in your data. You should include columns for that information in your data. And then once you've got that data put together and you load it into the program, you'll see a map that looks like this. Each line of that data is a marker on the map, which has its own pop-out showing every column that you included in that data. You'll be able to use the tools in the toolbox, simple things like grouping tool to see your markers in different colors. Or to further filter, you would go to the filter tool and filter by all those additional columns or any of those additional columns that you've included. You're going to be able to really maximize your data and your knowledge of where everything lands, whatever you're looking for. You've always got us. If you need us, your help button is right there. If you have any questions, reach out to us. Thanks for watching. Bye.